Hello friends, hope you all are safe and fine and studying well also. Have you ever been to market? What you have observed there? You might have observed that different people are doing different types of works, and even the tools they use, they are also of different types. Like a tailor uses uh, scissors, needles, then beautiful threads. Then you can see a cobbler using nails and hammers. Same way mechanic uses pliers, then screwdrivers and all different things. So as per their requirement they use different tools. So students, that is our next chapter, that is work around us. So the people that are doing different types of work around us. Before starting the chapter, let us go through the hard words. Skill. Skill means the ability to perform any work in a well manner, in a better way. Then we have the word apprentice. Apprentice means when a person who is going through a training for a short term, or we can say for a short duration, small period of time, and to that is also required for the job. So whatever the job he is doing, so the training session that he is used to go before that, that is apprentice. So the person is called apprentice. Localized. Localized means anything that is limited in a particular area. Embroidery. It is the skill of decorating the cloth with beautiful designs using threads, colorful threads and needles. So that is related to the needlework. Institute. It is the organization that promotes the specified activities or that gives you a special training for regarding any particular job. Profession. Professional, we can say. Professional means any job that requires a training or a specified skills so that we can expertise in that particular area. And not only this, it also requires higher level of education also. So some jobs, I should not say all the jobs, but definitely some jobs they required higher level of education and a perfect training. So the person should be skilled enough to do his job in the best way. Then we have formal training. Formal training means before starting any job, the training we get in any institute or in a colleges, they are called formal training. Then it is construct. Construct means to build anything. It can be a road, it can be a building, anything, bridges and all. So construct means to make. So that is all some of the words that you will come across in the chapter. Now students, we can see different people working around us and they help us in many ways. They make our life easy and comfortable. So we need these people regularly in our daily life. They are very helpful for us. For example, if you see, a milkman delivers milk to your doorstep. Same way, the cobblers, they mend our shoes. If you see, a mechanic repairs our cars, scooters and all other vehicles. And the mechanic, he works in a garage. So same way there are many people, like if you see domestic help, so we need the services of the domestic help so that we can spend our quality time in some other works. So why do you think they are doing these jobs? It is only to earn money. So any work or any job that we are doing to earn money, that is called occupation. So when people do different jobs to earn money, that is called occupation. Now some of the jobs, they require very high skill or they require proper training and even education also. But some jobs, they do not require any particular training, that do not require any expertized skills to perform. If you see, uh, for washing the clothes or washing the dishes or sweeping the house, do we need any formal training? Is there any college or institute that trains you to do these type of jobs? No. So that we do on our own. So there are many jobs like this that do not need any skilled performance or do not need any particular specialization or skills and can be done on our own. But there are certain jobs that need a training, that need some skills. If you see a tailor stitching your clothes, so he needs a particular training so that he can stitch your clothes in very nice way, in very better way, so that you can look beautiful, smart, handsome. Same way, when a mechanic works in the garage, he need the training. He should know what he is doing, what are the different parts of the vehicles, how to repair them, how to remove them. So he need the special training before putting the hands on any vehicle. So in the garages, these mechanics, they work, and before doing these jobs, they need these type of trainings. So students, we have seen that many people are there who are doing different jobs, and they are helping us in one or the other way. They are helping us so that we can live a easy life, comfortable life. We can live very happily. So we have seen. Now, what are the trainings that people are getting? What are the different jobs where we need high qualified trainings, where we need high education, and what are the jobs where these things are not required at all? That we will see in details in our next video. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.